Joelton Almeida will be fighting Alexander Romanov, and Joelton Almeida surprisingly lost to Curtis Blades via hammer fists. And to be honest, I kind of expected something like that to happen, but again, Curtis Blades showed that his wrestling skills are brutally good. Almeida defeated Derek Lewis, Jairzinho Rozenstruik, and Shamil Abdurakhimov, but Alexander Romanov is also a top-notch grappler, 17-0, great Moldovan fighter, 6'2", 75 inches of reach. I just have a feeling that Romanov is going to give him a hard time. Romanov's grappling is on a top-notch level. He outworked Blagoy Ivanov, defeated Chase Sherman, lost Alexander Volkov and Marcin Tybura, but I'm really confident that he might give Joelton Almeida a hard time. This is extremely difficult fight for prediction. Almeida has some boxing background, that is true, but man. Romanov choked out Roque Martinez, Marcos Rogerio de Lima, was better than Jared Vandero, even outsmarted Juan Espino, man. I don't know. The guy is just too good grappler. I'd say over 1.5, extremely difficult fight to call. Could really go either way. Let's say side call is Romanov, but I don't know.